Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix WhatsApp sound is overlapping on your iPhone when you're playing the status on your iPhone. So this issue that is happening for many of the users right now and how we can fix it. The first step is all about nothing but we have to update WhatsApp. For this, just go over here, make sure that you're connected to any of the internet, and either on the Wi-Fi is fine, as well as if you're on cellular data, that is also fine. You have to go to the App Store. Now the first one is all about you have to search for WhatsApp. You have to search WhatsApp, and if the WhatsApp is having any kind of update, so right now the WhatsApp is having update, so you have to update your WhatsApp. That is what you have to do as the first and foremost step. Updating the WhatsApp will be fixing the issue in most cases. If updating WhatsApp is not working for you, then we just need to move to the next step. So next step is all about we have to move to the next step. That is nothing but if you're having this issue, what you need to do is we just need to make sure that you're on the latest version of iOS, or if you're having any pending updates, you have to update it as well. For this, just tap over here in the settings. Now from here go to general. Now from here go to software update. Now from here you have to check whether you are having any kind of updates or you are in a little bit older versions of update. You have to update to the latest version, or if you are getting updates like this on 16.5.1, you have to update to the latest version as well. So now that install, after successfully installed, you have to see whether the issue is still persisting by playing the status on your iPhone. Even after still it's not working, then we just need to move to the next step. Next step is nothing but we have to try with the next one, that is we have to uninstall the WhatsApp and we have to reinstall it back. This did work for many users. For this, just go over here and press and hold over here like this, and you have to remove the app and you have to completely uninstall it. Once you're done with this one, go back to the App Store and you have to search for the WhatsApp once again. Search for the WhatsApp once again, and you have to download it and once again, and you have to set it up. After downloading the WhatsApp once again, and most probably see whether the issue is solved or not. By doing this, the issue has to be fixed. Last and the least one is all about you have to do a force restart on your iPhone. You have to press volume up followed by volume down. Press and hold the power button to do this. Press volume up. You have to press volume up followed by volume down. You have to press and hold the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. And this particular steps, that is called force restart, is actually a fix for many these kind of issues. So you can try force restart whenever your iPhone is not working fine. Now wait for iPhone to completely load it up. Once the phone is turned on completely, you have to go back and go to the WhatsApp, and most probably the icue regarding this will be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do, and I hope this is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.